Hi everybody, I'll be showing you how to download Steam on PC and laptop. To download Steam on PC and laptop, the steps are as follow. First thing first, open up a browser. On the web address bar, you want to type in Steam download. This is going to take you to their official page. You would go and click on the first link that appears, Steam. And after you're then taken to this page, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. Now here in the left hand side corner, you could see install Steam for Windows, right? Click that out. It's going to install the exe file, so you could see it's already installed. Now here you want to go and open up the file location. That will be your file explorer, and you have to go to the download sections. Here you have the exe file. What next you want to do is double click on it and then run the installation. So you have to go and make changes. Now then you have to go ahead and confirm by tapping on the next button. Select the language, click on the next button, just continue installing all that. And finally you have the install button, click that out. It will take a couple of minutes, so you just have to be patient enough. After it is completely installed, then on the desktop home page you can see Steam. Just like it so. Now then to open it up, you want to double click on it and then you have to go ahead and create your account. And or else log into your existing account and you've successfully installed Steam on your PC or laptop. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.